Hello students, today we want to discuss about parts of speech tagger for learning English. POS is the short form of parts of speech. Now let's see. First of all, what is the meaning of parts of speech? Parts of speech cover noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection, preposition, and article. On the right side, a mind map has been given which describes all parts of speech. The next word is tagger. What's the meaning of tagger? A person who writes graffiti. Graffiti means writing or drawing using their nickname or identifying some mark. A piece of software that adds identifying or classifying tags to piece of text or data. NLP, this tagging is done in the field of NLP. Or the simplest meaning can be the labeling process for any word. As you must have seen that all products have a label that is also a tag. Now, we are discussing about language tagging, that how different words have been tagged according to parts of speech. What are the purposes of PostTagger? PostTaggers are used for learning English language. PostTaggers are also used for teaching English. They are also used for conducting research. Suppose you want to conduct research, that what are the shortcomings, or if we use this PostTagger in our classroom, how have our students improved in comprehending different parts of speech. Another, writing an analysis with a histogram. Histogram means frequency of variables. Suppose in one text, how many adjectives have been used, how many determiners, how many nouns, prepositions, or verbs. For example, if nouns are present more than the verbs, it means this text is not full of actions. If verbs are more than nouns, it means that text is full of action. Obviously, text must have action. Or if we want to make our language dynamic, our language must have more verbs than nouns. Okay. So, due to its benefit in different domains in learning, teaching, and research, we want to know how can we conduct post-tagging analysis. This is the link of PostTagger software. It is very simple, very easy. It is free of cost. It has different color coding. Color coding for different words. For example, one certain color has been given to noun. In all analysis, you will find the same color for nouns. I show you this would be the sample analysis. Here parts of speech. Look at, there were different sentences. I show you. Talent is cheaper than table salt. Talent is noun. Look at this word talent, noun. Gray color is for nouns. Table, salt, they are also nouns. Table is a separate word, salt is separate word. Okay, is, look at this color and look at this color. This is verb. Auxiliary verb is also verb. Okay, cheaper, cheaper, cheap, cheaper, cheapest. This is adjective. Look at this color is adjective. So it means its tagging is absolutely correct. Here is belief, hard work. Belief is noun. Look at gray. Hard is adjective. This here is work is noun. Love, this is noun. You, You is pronoun. Look at this color. Here is pronoun. Have is verb. Those, determiner, this, that, these, those. Again, I want to tell you that sometimes a word falls into different categories. For example, here, those things, it can be adjective, numeral adjective. Okay. But again, this is also determiner. So here, human cognition will also play its role, but basic speech tagging has been done accurately through this tool. Okay. Now I want to give you a demo that how does this tool actually work. Look at the demo. This is the parts of speech info. This is the name of the tool. We will write here a sentence. He, or just let me write here. Yes. He is watching an interesting TV show keenly. Now, first of all, you can write text here or you can paste your text here. Then just click on post tag. Look at he is pronoun, okay, is verb, watching verb, an is determiner, interesting is adjective, TV show is noun, keenly, keenly is adverb. Look at wonderful. All analysis, all parts of speech tagging is absolutely fine. Now look at this tool. Click here. This is histogram. Now histogram has been generated that adjectives 13%, adverbs 13%, determiner 13%, nouns 25%, pronouns are 13%, verbs are 25%. So this can be a good proportion. So you can even download these things, or this is a beautiful way to understand parts of speech with the help of color coding. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. I'm here to answer your all queries. Best wishes. Good luck.